So Chef Henry here again, guys. So a chef asked me this question one time: what make your cooking different from everyone else? So for a minute, I'm like, no, I really had to give this some thought. What really makes Chef Henry cooking different from every other else cooking? Well, my reason is the love that I put into my cooking, the passion, because I have pure passion for cooking. So it's like you never hear people say them eat, sleep, and dream something. Well, that's it for me. So with every season that I place into my food, it's like I'm just sprinkling love all over the food. So it just come down to the little salt, the little details. So that is my reason.